The sum of
xi
minus the mean of
4.
to the power of
4.
4. So start.
1. Negative 1, ma'am. The power of 4 plus 2 in the 7 minus 5, the power of 4 plus 3. 3, the power of 4 plus negative 3, the power of 4 plus 3, negative 3, the power of 4 plus 4, the power of 4 plus 2, negative 2, the power of 4. So, ang dami na ito. Sandali. Sorry, ma'am. 1, negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1.
1 plus
1 times 1
Two.
times 1 times 1 is equals to
Tama.
1.
1. Negative. Plus
2
2 times 2, 4.
Times 2.
Ay, apatin. 2, 4, 16, ma'am.
4 times 2.
16 times 3, 24. 24 times plus 24 to 5 to 6, 7 to 5. Ano? Wala ko, ma'am.
2 is 4 times 2.
8
16 times
24.
32
times 2.
64 bobo sa mati
32 lang. 3 times 3.
3, 9 times 9 times 3 to the 7.
Plus 3 times 3 is positive
27
plus positive 27 plus
4 times
4
4
times
60 plus
32.
4 times 4
64 ma'am
16 times 4
hindi
times
times
4
4 eh.
hindi
27
times
64
16 tapos times 4
16 times 4.
64
times 4
64 times 4 pa ma'am
16 times
7
4.
times 2 is 16 times 2
32
is you have to divide it into yung value ni
Mean.
yung total, yung mean. Ito yung mean, ito yung 5. 5 is yung value ni
X.
Mean.
Niyo.
so sunod 7 divide into 7. So ano yung 7? So yung
Ano, saan
given
yung
value,
bukol?
ito yon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yung x.
1
So divide into, so you have to divide into
5 to 3, di ba?